Make a Downloads folder on your Chromebook for a familiar way to organize and store all of your downloaded files. First, open the Files app, which is now on the bottom bar. Check your Google Drive for a Downloads folder. You may already have one. If not, click the three dots to make a new folder and call it Downloads. From here, you can right-click or click with two fingers to add the folders to the sidebar, and also pin it to the shelf for easy access anywhere. Finally, click on Chrome's three dots and go to Settings. Then click on Downloads. Change your downloads location to be the new folder you just created. Now, any file you download goes straight to this folder and you can access it anywhere. You can follow these steps for both your Chromebook, Chromebox, and any new device you sign in on, so they share the same Downloads folder. Let us know if you have any questions or need support.